Hi guys, this is English 101, College Reading and Composition 1 online. You need to know how to upload a video to Canvas, and I'm going to show you how to do so. Who am I? I'm Nuala Mary Linka, aka Nunu, and I am your English professor. Hello. All right. I'm going to go into Home in our online course. We'll have the photo of Yoda on the front screen. And I'm going to click on Modules, where all of our weekly lesson plans are. And I'm going into our first week of the semester. We're in an 8-week semester, but it's listed as week 9 because it is week 9 of the regular 16-week semester. So I have it listed as week 9. This week is October 22nd through 28th, 2018. And one of your assignments, Discussion 1, My Educational Story, requires you to make a video. So go ahead and click on the assignment and make sure that you read all the directions very carefully. In the video you make, you're going to have to answer a series of questions. Who am I? And what do I plan to do with the college degree I will earn? And you will have other questions to answer. So make sure that you have these questions available to you when you make your video. Okay, so when you're ready to make your video, simply go below my screen with the directions. So below this screen, we're going below it. We're going to click on Reply right here. And in the top menu that pops up, we're looking for this play icon, which is Record and Upload Media. And you'll simply click on this icon and it will give you prompts about what to do, and it will record a video of you. When you're ready to post that video, you're all done, simply click on Post Reply. And we could see that somebody has already posted a video. Okay, that's great. Let me go back to reminding you you're in English 101, College Reading and Composition 1, not that I think you forgot. This was a quick tutorial on how to upload a video to Canvas. I am Nuala Mary Linka, aka Nunu, your English professor. All right, have a great day.